What's up, crew? It's Jordan Crypt here, and this is my first video for beginners to start to understand candle reading techniques. I know when you come into crypto and into candle reading, everything is very overwhelming and the charts are hard to understand. So this playlist is here to help break it down for you in a digestible way. Please make sure you do sign up a Bybit account using this QR code so that you can trade along with us with VIP benefits on the world's most secure crypto platform. Also make sure to join in my trading academy on Telegram to be aware of all of my updates. Let's get into it. You might think that you need a whole lot of indicators to be able to understand crypto charts, but actually in essence, every candle is like a letter in a language of a larger story. Candle patterns are a very ancient concept and they actually convey human emotion when it comes to stocks and trading. In this video, we're going to break it down step by step so that you can understand and start right without creating bad habits. Without understanding candle reading and price action techniques, you are actually, in a way, trading blind. And until you really understand these beautiful concepts, you cannot see the story in the charts and get the most profits out of the market. Candlestick charts actually appeared over 3 centuries ago. Important to understand is the difference between technical and fundamental analysis. Technical analysis looks at your price charts and analyzes price data. Analysts use patterns and market movements to guide them in their analysis. Fundamental analysis refers to the inherent value of those assets and any large events that happen which can affect those assets, like large crypto news events affecting cryptocurrencies. A candlestick chart is a combination of multiple candles a trader uses to anticipate the price movement. It is a technical tool that gives traders a complete visual representation of how the price of an asset has moved over a given period. Here we can see a comparison between a line chart, a bar chart, and a candlestick chart. A candlestick chart is infinitely better and gives you so much more information, not only into price movement, but the emotion that is occurring behind that movement. When an appropriate candlestick pattern forms, crypto traders can anticipate price continuations or reversals and profit off these moves. So let's first get into the anatomy of a candlestick. Here you can see a typical bullish and bearish candlestick with the open price, the low price, the high price, and the close price. Spend as much time as you need here trying to understand this first. The open price is the price at which that asset is at the opening of the candle on that time frame. Price then moves within the candle, creating a low and a high, and then the close price is when price moves out of that candle on that time frame. If the close price is above the open price, it will be a bullish green candle. If the close price is below the open price, it will be a bearish red candle. The wick of your candle is the thinner part of the candlestick attached above and below the candle body. The wick above the candlestick's real body indicates the highest price level during the trading time frame, and the same for below. Each candlestick forms patterns that traders can use to recognize major support and resistance levels, and these are very powerful. Price movement in financial markets depends on both supply and demand, and on traders' emotions, which create market sentiment or the market's overall tone or mood. This is a nice graphic that you can save and study it until you really understand this. For this first video, we're going to keep it super simple and leave it there so that we don't oversaturate. But stay tuned to this playlist as I'm going to be breaking down all of the most important single candle patterns, double candle patterns, triple candle patterns, and larger candle patterns with many candlesticks such as the head and shoulders. And once you get a hang of this, then you will start to understand more clearly triangle patterns such as the symmetrical triangle, the ascending or descending triangle. And it will be easier for you to go into my more advanced tutorials that already exist under my crypto trading tutorials playlist.